Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Tarun here, one of the official member of Spark Astro Club. In this video, I am going to talk about the recently happened space issue, the launch of James Webb Telescope into the space at the Lagrange point 2. It all started from a man named Lippershey, who is the inventor of telescope. After the invention of telescope, he gone through a lot of researches on far-fetched objects from his place itself. This is the thought which gone through the mankind to build an astronomical telescope. After building the astronomical telescope, there is a problem in image quality due to the air pollution in Earth atmosphere. So scientists decided to launch telescope into the space. Here comes the history maker Hubble. Hubble telescope is the world's first telescope which launched into the space to capture various images like images of universe, galaxies, stars, planets, whatnot. Even the mighty Hubble also got an limitation. It only can capture the visible spectrum and a short range of infrared light. To know about the early stage of universe after the Big Bang, we need to capture the wide range of infrared light. Here comes the historical moment. The world's great three space agencies collabed together to build a telescope. NASA, Europe and Canadian space agencies collabed together to build a telescope with the worth of $10 billion in time span of 20 years with a crew of more than 10,000 scientists. This telescope, named after the second administrator of NASA, named James Edwin Webb. Why to capture the infrared light? Because due to the Doppler effect of light in the space, when the light travels into the space for a long time, it gradually decreases in its speed. So the visible spectrum fall down into a infrared light. To know about the early stages of universe, we want to capture the wide range of infrared light. This is why the James Webb telescope has been invented. By this telescope, we can know the early stages of universe and the toughest riddle: is there any life on other planet? Thank you to one and all.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Ramyasri. I am the official member of Spark Astro Club. Today I am talking about James Webb Space Telescope. James Webb Space Telescope was jointly developed by NASA and the European Space Agency and the Canadian Space Agency. James Webb Space Telescope is the most advanced and the most expensive telescope ever built. James Webb Space Telescope is the powerful telescope that will succeed Hubble as the next generation space telescope. It will rest in a stable orbit on the opposite side of the moon, and it will use its infrared capturing mirrors to see the faint light emitted at the universe's beginning. James Webb Space Telescope is tasked with collecting infrared light from some of the most distant stars and the galaxies in the universe. On the top of that, it will unravel the mysterious supermassive black holes and distant alien worlds. NASA has worked for nearly 3 decades to craft this telescope and get it to the launch. But once the telescope is in space, there is still a long way to go because James Webb Space Telescope is so massive. It must fly to the space folded up. All the while, James Webb Space Telescope will be traveling to an extra cold spot launched 1 million miles away from our Earth. Once James Webb Space Telescope has launched, it will undergo a series of science and calibration tests, including sun shield deployment and telescope deployment. According to NASA, the James Webb Space Telescope will focus on the four main areas. First, light in the universe and assembly of galaxies in the early universe, birth of stars and protoplanetary systems, and planets. James Webb Space Telescope costs nearly $10 billion. According to the Space Telescope Science Institute, the best images from the James Webb Space Telescope will start to appear about 6 months